All right, we're going to start with the eave. We're going to apply this drip edge. What you're going to want to do, because this roof is a 12-12, it's going to sit over the fascia, because what would happen if we go up too far, this drip edge will buckle and then the shingles will lift up on the edge. What we're going to do, we're going to find where the complete nailer top of the drip edge sits flush to the roof deck. From right there, we're going to go ahead and put a nail in it just to hold this piece for now. I usually go flush with the edge. The nail should go approximately 2 to 3 inches above the fascia. We'll start by having that one just hold it. I'm going to come down here, line this one up, see how it's good and flush with the surface. And then what we're going to want to do is put a nail every 8 to 10 inches all the way down all the drip edge on the eave. So we'll go ahead and do that and we'll move on to the smaller piece.